Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I have a quick video on how to actually steam iron one of your dress shirts. Steam iron, quick and easy way to get wrinkles out of dress shirts. I'm going to give you the complete rundown. Let's go. Alright, so a couple things you need to actually steam iron a dress shirt. One being the unit itself, the steam iron or the steamer. Two, distilled water. I'll show you why that's important coming up. Three, a hanger, and hanger is probably the most important part here besides the steamer. And then finally is your dress shirt that you want to unwrinkle. If you don't really know what a steam iron or a steamer does, quickly give you the rundown. So it's a little device, cylinder in shape with a neck. You fill the water chamber with distilled water, and then it heats up inside and shoots steam out through the little nozzles here at the top. The steam helps get rid of those wrinkles. The steam coming out is also hot, so you got to watch that. But once you get this going and use it, it can be an efficient way to actually get wrinkles out. So again, the first two things we need right now, the steam iron itself or the steamer and distilled water. What we're going to do is on most steam irons or steamers, right where the neck or the spout is, it normally opens up and allows water to be poured in. Distilled water is important here. Why? Well, because say if you were to use tap water, there's minerals in tap water, there's different chemicals in tap water sometimes. If you were to use that, heat this up and try and over time, this will actually clog the portholes right there with all that chemicals and those minerals. Distilled water eliminates that because guess what? It doesn't have any minerals or chemicals within. So right now I'm going to take the water, fill up my little chamber. On most of them, they'll have like a max fill line somewhere. Obviously don't go over that. So I'm going to fill this right now. All right, so water is now in. Pretty much as soon as you fill up the water, you can plug in this machine and turn it on. While we wait for it to actually steam and turn on, and you'll know that it's ready to go because, like I said, steam will be escaping from here. It'll come out from the top. You'll see the steam escape. What we can do now is actually prepare the shirt. So, to actually steam iron this, we're going to be utilizing the hanger. We want to hang the dress shirt. But a key point here is if you were to steam this, we want to ensure that all buttons on the dress shirt are done up. Why? Well, because look, if it is, it allows me to do nice, easy passes of the shirt itself. If this was all unbuttoned or whatever, it would just make it a little bit more difficult. So I'm going to finish doing up those buttons and we're going to wait for the steam to start. Guess what? We are ready to go. I'm not sure if you could see, more so in this corner, the steam is actually escaping and is bubbling and inside is boiling. So this is ready to go. I have my shirt fully buttoned up. And again, it's easier if it's buttoned up, and plus you wear it buttoned up. So why not button it up? Because using the steam is going to sort of shape the shirt. We can use direct pressure when using this. I'm not sure if you can see, if I move a little closer, we have some bristles on my machine, which allows me to put direct pressure on whatever piece of clothing that I'm steaming. So we're going to do just that. When we steam, we're just going to do soft, easy passes. We're going to go slow. The steam needs time to actually work its magic, we can say. We might have to go over a couple times, but steam iron is now one of my favorite devices to use to get rid of wrinkles. So we have my shirt here, like I said, nice slow passes. I'm going to start up at the top. I'm going to make direct pressure contact, and I'm just going to make my way all the way down, or as far as I can go. Back up to the top, same thing, all the way down. And I would repeat that all the way across. And then, like I said, depending, you can obviously tell if the wrinkles are coming out. The water and the steam will do its magic. If you have to do more passes, you do more passes. But again, we can make direct contact. We can go nice and slow all the way down to the bottom. Utilizing the hanger here, it gives me something to hold on to, and I can reach right up to the top, and then I can go about steaming the shirt itself. But anyways, there we go. A quick video. Yes, I didn't finish the entire shirt, but you get where I was going at. I'm not going to do that on camera. On how to use a steam iron or a steamer to get the wrinkles out of your dress shirt. Again, follow my tip here by using a hanger and buttoning up the shirt. Like I said, you wear it like that. Why not mimic the process, and then we can go about removing the wrinkles. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because I'm going to show off some more steam iron tips with a couple other articles of clothes. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.